Imagine being able to control your TV with just a flick of your wrist or a simple tap on your smartwatch. No more fumbling with remotes, no more squinting at tiny buttons, just easy, seamless control right from your wrist. That's what we're bringing with our new smartwatch TV control system. Our smartwatches aren't just about tracking your steps or sending you notifications anymore. They're designed to make life easier, especially for people who find traditional TV remotes challenging to use. Whether it's because the buttons are too small or the interface is too complicated, we've all struggled with remotes at some point. Now imagine how difficult that can be for someone with a vision or motor impairment. It's more than just an inconvenience, it's a barrier. But with our smartwatch, that barrier disappears. You can simply swipe up on the watch to turn up the volume, or tap to pause your favorite show. If gestures aren't your thing, the smartwatch's screen works just like a touchpad, giving you full control over the TV. And for those who prefer physical buttons, the watch's side wheel makes it super easy to adjust the volume with a quick twist. What really sets our smartwatch apart is that it learns and adapts to you. The more you use it, the more it understands your preferences, making it even easier to control your TV over time. Plus, it's secure. Only you can control your TV with your smartwatch. Thanks to encrypted connections and built-in security features, we believe this is a game changer. Not just for people with disabilities, but for anyone who wants a simpler, more intuitive way to enjoy their TV. It's technology that's smart, accessible, and incredibly user-friendly. Let's start by introducing Smart TV, a cutting-edge device that has revolutionized our living rooms, offering a seamless blend of traditional TV viewing and internet-powered features. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can stream your favorite shows, mirror your smartphone's screen, and even browse the web, all from the comfort of your couch. While studies show that TV watching remains a popular leisure activity, smart TVs take it to the next level by providing unprecedented control and customization. As with any evolving technology, there's always room for improvement. That's where our innovative solutions come in, addressing common pain points, like complex remote controls and voice command systems. Picture this: you're settling in for a cozy movie night, but the remote control becomes your nemesis. Too many buttons, confusing layouts, and where did those battery-eating gremlins hide it this time? And suddenly, you're playing a frustrating game of find the remote. When you finally locate it, you're faced with a sea of tiny buttons, each one a potential misclick waiting to happen. We've all been there. TV remotes have come a long way since the 1950s lazy bones, with its simple on-off switch, but they've also become overly complicated. Even voice commands, while innovative, aren't accessible to everyone. The enormous amount of buttons are already a hassle. What about people with impairments? Though accessible remotes are made commercially available, many don't invest in one as it is too pricey. So how should people with motor impairments control their TV? It was found that they prefer DIY workarounds, from struggling to grab the remote properly, to stabilizing it on a certain item like a wheelchair. Some of them even needed assistance from someone else in order to watch a TV. Wasn't watching TV supposed to be an enjoyment? As for people with vision impairments, the need to constantly remove reading glasses when switching sites between TV and remote. Every time one does that, they missed out what has changed on the TV, not knowing if they did what was intended. Now imagine controlling your TV with the device you already know and love, your smartphone. It's always within reach, more responsive than traditional remotes, and offers a familiar touchscreen interface. For those with motor impairments, a gentle tap on a smartphone screen is far easier than pressing rigid remote buttons. But wait, there's a catch. With great power comes great responsibility, and in this case, potential security risks. Hackers could potentially exploit these wireless connections, gaining unauthorized access to your TV. Incorporating robust authentication methods, ensuring that only you have control over your viewing experience is essential. Smartwatches have become one of the hottest products in today's technology market. After smartphones, they've quickly become the most popular wearable device, with the market growing year on year. One of the main reasons for this surge in popularity is convenience. Imagine having an electronic device that's always within reach, literally on your wrist. Unlike a smartphone, computer, or tablet, you don't have to dig through your bag or remember where you left it. Whether it's checking instant notifications, muting your phone, or quickly switching music. Smartwatches make it all effortless. And let's not forget, smartwatches let you do all these things with just one hand. Whether you're cycling, carrying groceries, or just multitasking, a quick tap on your smartwatch can keep you moving without missing a beat. Of course, smartwatches aren't perfect for everything. They're great for quick tasks, but fall short when it comes to more complex actions, like replying to a long email or adding attachments. Typing on such a small screen can be a pain, and that's something to bear in mind. The simplicity of smartwatches is also a big part of their success. Their straightforward user interfaces and intuitive interactions make them accessible to everyone, regardless of age or technical ability. It's this ease of use that encourages even the least tech-savvy to adopt them. For example, when using a smartwatch to control a TV, the design could include a few clearly labeled buttons, making it easy for anyone to get started. However, with this simplicity comes a challenge: the small screen size. There's always the risk of accidentally pressing the wrong button, especially as finger sizes vary from person to person. But what if, instead of buttons, we use the smartwatch's touchpad to control the TV? Now you only need one finger to control it. The market demand for smartwatches also reflects their practicality. Studies show that users prioritize the practical uses of smartwatches over their entertainment value. This means that smartwatches are becoming an integral part of everyday life, helping with a range of tasks. The demand for practical features is high, and as long as smartwatches continue to evolve and offer new, innovative features, people will continue to use them. In fact, the more innovative the features, the more likely people are to stay with the latest models. So developing useful, practical applications for smartwatches doesn't just meet market demand, it drives it. Picture effortlessly controlling your devices with a simple wave of your hand. No need to physically touch anything. That's what remote gesture control does for us. It's a supernatural way to interact with technology, especially when it's not convenient to physically touch a device. Gesture control makes everything smoother. With just a simple pinch, people with disabilities can easily operate devices, making their daily lives much easier. Imagine yourself controlling the lights or sound system in your smart home, all without lifting a finger to use a remote. And it's getting even better. New algorithms are making gesture recognition more accurate. By standardizing gesture data, these improvements are ensuring that everyone, no matter their differences, enjoys a seamless experience. On the flip side, touchpads are like the precision tools in our digital toolbox. They offer a high level of accuracy and flexibility, perfect for when you need to be precise. Like when navigating through a smartwatch's menu, touchpads make smartwatches incredibly portable and flexible, letting you interact with them smoothly, even when you're on the go. Now, combine the best of both worlds: gesture control and touchpad technology, and smartwatches can deliver a richer, more personalized user experience. Gesture control adds convenience and fun, while touchpads bring precision and accuracy. Depending on what you're doing, you can choose the method that suits you best, making your interactions with smartwatches more effective and enjoyable. In short, this blend of technologies is transforming the design and functionality of smartwatches. It's not just making them smarter, it's paving the way for a future where wearable devices are even more adaptable, user-friendly, and just plain cool. We will not just stop at using smartwatches to control TVs. Imagine controlling your TV without lifting a finger. That's right. Our next step includes adding voice control functionalities, supporting multiple languages to allow hands-free operation. This will be a game changer, especially for those with visual impairments. But why stop there? We will also bring augmented reality into the mix. Imagine virtual buttons and keyboards floating right in your living space, allowing you to interact without ever touching your watch. This will be incredibly handy in situations where touching your watch isn't practical. And there's more. Based on the data we collect, we'll be introducing user habit prediction and context-aware systems. Picture this: when you plop down on the sofa, the system would suggest turning on the TV and even recommend shows based on your viewing history and the time of day. How about the optimal viewing experience? It'll automatically adjust the volume and brightness based on the content type. We're also looking to sync your smartwatch with other devices around your home, like air conditioners and lamps, creating a truly immersive environment. Imagine your lighting and TV work together to set the perfect scene for movie night. With these advancements, the smartwatch will become the ultimate home automation hub, Get ready for a smarter, more connected, and incredibly intuitive future.